it's Franci here for Sunny Studio Stamps, and today we're going to make this happy birthday themed card with the new Summer Sweets set. Here I am placing some images onto a white panel that's 4 by 5.5 inches, and I'm going to stamp them with a Copic friendly ink. Then I am going to turn this panel around 180 degrees and stamp them again. As you can see now, I covered the entire panel, leaving just a little gap in the center. Here I have a selection of Copic markers, and I'm going to stick to these colors for all my images today. I have E37, E35, E33, E53, E51 and E000, then R37 and R35, R000 and B000. As you'll see, some of my colors are running dry, so I need to plan a little spa day for all my markers very soon. I set my panel aside to dry, and here I have the sweet word die, and I'm going to die cut it out of this red gingham paper from the classic gingham 6x6 pack and out of white cardstock twice. I layered and glued all the die cuts together with liquid glue, and now I'm going to stamp the other part of my greeting onto my panel. So the final sentiment will say, "Hope you have a sweet birthday." Then I added smiley faces to some of my little ice cream images to make them look extra cute. As you can see, I stamped the little face onto the first popsicle, then I'm turning around the card as I did for the main images, and I'm stamping it onto the second one. I'll do the same for a couple more images, and then smiley faces call for rosy cheeks, so I'm adding those with my favorite Copic pinks combo, R32, R20 and R000. Here I covered the front of my standard size white card base with a panel I cut out of craft cardstock, and I'm adding my decorated panel on top with some foam adhesive. Then I added lots of details to all my sweets with a white gel pen, and I glued down some sequins as well. I am so happy about how this card turned out, and I hope you like it too. As always, be sure to check all the linked supplies in the video description down below. Leave me some love in the comments, and I'll be back with another happy project soon. Bye!